Okay guys, take a look at this. This point and kill fish is a must try. You are going to love it, definitely guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this point and kill fish at home. I'm starting off with pepper, spring onions, garlic, ginger, and tatashe. So next, I am going to transfer it into my food processor, and then I will grind it. If you are the type that love to eat fish, try this method. Omo, you go like am too much. And come to think of it, go point fish for where they sell fish. It dey expensive. Why not do it at home for yourself? So I'm just going to grind it. Once I'm done grinding it, next I'm going to transfer it into the pot, and then I'm going to be adding my spices on it. I will fry it for about 5 minutes, and then I will set it aside. So if you're still watching this video and you find it interesting, guys, help me to share it, okay? So next I'm going to be adding coconut oil on it. As you guys know, I love to eat coconut oil. You can use any other oil you have, but no use palm oil. And then I went in with my spices. So I'll just give it a stir for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to set it aside for it to cool down. So next I have here with me croaker fish. If you want to enjoy your point and kill fish, buy this croaker fish or tilapia. Omo, you go chop everything with the bone. So as you can see, I am putting my knife into it, where I'm going to put the sauce and it will go into the fish. So once I'm done cutting it up like this, by the way, I already washed the fish neatly. I'm going to transfer those sauce into the fish before I put it in the oven. There are many ways to roast fish, but this very pattern I'm showing you is one of the best. So I transfer the sauce into the fish, and then I'm going to use my hands to make sure it goes into the cut I put on the fish. Then I'll make sure I apply it all over the fish before I put it in the oven. So guys, if this video you find it interesting, please help me to share it, okay, so that it gets to other people. So you can see I'm applying the sauces into the fish. I'll make sure it goes all over the body of the fish. So if you're allergic to pepper, try to put on gloves before you touch the sauce. Make your hand not come burn you. So I'll just apply it all over like this. So I will also turn the other way, and then I will do the same thing on the other side of the fish. I'll gently apply the sauce into it nicely. So now tell me, does this look like something you are going to try? Trust me, you are not going to regret it. You go chop everything wey dey for this fish. So as you can see, I continue to apply my sauce into the fish and make sure the sauces goes into the cut I've already placed on the fish. And then I'm going to use my hand to massage the sauce all over the fish, just like what you are seeing. Once I'm done, I'm going to be putting lemon on it. So this lemon right here is optional. I don't even know what made me to place lemon on them anyway. So I'm done. I'm going to put it in the oven. Guys, take a look at this. Does this look like something you are going to try? I am telling you, it's a must that you will love this fish. So this is the leftover sauce. Guys, take a look at this fish. Oh my goodness, this fish was heavenly. The fish tastes so delicious. When I put it into my mouth, I was like, wow, it was so nice, guys. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video interesting, help me to share it. Bye.